Today we're talking about the OnePlus 15, which has just leaked online with new renders, colorways, and storage details, and it looks like OnePlus is switching things up big time. So, according to a leak from tipster Sudhanshu Ampur, the OnePlus 15 could ditch the company's iconic circular camera module we've seen on the 13 and earlier models. Instead, the render shows a square-shaped rear camera island with rounded corners housing 3 sensors. Definitely a new look for the series. Now let's talk colors and variants. The OnePlus 15 is expected to launch in black, purple, and titanium. As for configurations, we're looking at 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage, 16 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage, and for power users, there could even be a 16 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage option. Under the hood, the phone was recently spotted on Geekbench, running on the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, also known as the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. That means serious flagship performance. On the display side, leaks point to a 6.78-inch flat LTPO panel with 1.5K resolution and an insanely smooth 165Hz refresh rate. For battery, we might be looking at 7,000 mAh or more, with 100-watt fast charging, though no word yet on wireless charging support. Of course, this will succeed last year's OnePlus 13, which packed the Snapdragon 8 Elite, a 6.82-inch Quad HD plus XDR display with 4,500 nits peak brightness, and a 6,000 mAh battery with both wired and wireless fast charging. So if the leaks are true, the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a huge step forward, especially in battery and design. So what do you guys think? Do you like this new square camera design, or do you prefer the classic circular module? And are you hyped for a 7,000 mAh battery on a flagship? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Today we're talking about the upcoming OnePlus 15, and if the latest leaks are accurate, this phone is shaping up to be a serious powerhouse, especially for gamers. So here's what we know. The OnePlus 15 is expected to launch later this year, and according to the latest leak from Tipster Digital Chat Station, the phone could feature a 165Hz display. That's right, a big jump from the 120Hz panel on the OnePlus 13. Not only that, but it'll reportedly support a new performance system that lets games actually run at 165 frames per second. If true, this would be the smoothest gaming experience we've ever seen on a OnePlus device. Now let's talk specs. The phone is said to come with a 6.78-inch flat LTPO display at 1.5K resolution, slightly smaller and lower res than the OnePlus 13's 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus panel, but with that super fast refresh rate to make up for it. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset is expected, paired with a massive 7,000 mAh battery and 100-watt fast charging. That's already a big upgrade over the 6,000 mAh cell in the OnePlus 13. Camera-wise, the OnePlus 15 might feature a redesigned square-shaped rear camera module with a 50-megapixel triple system, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Sounds like OnePlus is doubling down on consistency here. And here's something new for style lovers. The phone could launch in a Moon Rock Black Super Black colorway, which is reportedly darker than any black OnePlus has done before. Plus, we might see a refreshed sandstone textured case to bring back some classic OnePlus vibes. So to recap, 165Hz display with gaming at 165 FPS. Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, 7,000 mAh battery with 100-watt charging 50-megapixel triple rear cameras, and a slick new super black design. Honestly, this sounds like a serious upgrade, especially for gamers and heavy users. But here's my question for you guys. Would you trade the higher Quad HD Plus resolution of the OnePlus 13 for the super fast 165Hz refresh rate on the OnePlus 15? Let me know what you think in the comments below.